How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the HBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a POV drive on this beautiful 2015 Porsche 911 GT3. Before we hop in, I want to do just a quick walk around of this vehicle to show you this beautiful spec'd out 2015 GT3. So first and foremost, you'll find that this vehicle is finished in that awesome racing yellow paint. You also do have nice yellow painted calipers to match with the paint of the vehicle. You have your black satin 20-inch wheels that are center locked, as you can see. They're also wrapped in 20-inch Michelin Pilot Super Sports. And if you walk over to the back, you have that beautiful sounding exhaust and your GT3 badge finished in black. So with this being a 2015, this is a 991.1 body style of the 911 GT3. And if you hop onto the inside of the vehicle, you'll find that you do have your beautiful carbon bucket seats with the GT3 stitched along the headrest. You also do have that yellow to match with the vehicle on your seat belts. You have your yellow paint matched keys, as you can see right here. You have Alcantara on your steering wheel, and you also do have some of that Alcantara on the door card of this vehicle. So before we go ahead and take this out, let's go ahead and do some revs so you can hear this awesome 3.8 liter flat six engine. So let's go ahead and get on the road. So let's put this car into gear. We have PDK Sport activated, as well as our PDCC, and your exhaust valves are open. So let's go ahead. This car sounds so good. So this car is optioned with those awesome carbon bucket seats. As I mentioned earlier, you also do have your fire extinguisher down there. That is a factory option from Porsche. And you also do have the Sport Chrono, as you can see right there. So this GT3 does have a 3.8 liter flat six engine that produces 475 horsepower. And this engine just sounds so good. Let's roll the windows down a little bit. With that 3.8 liter flat six engine, you also do have this awesome 7-speed PDK transmission that's just lightning quick. Probably the best part about this car, besides the handling and the awesome PDCC that you have, this 3.8 liter flat six engine goes up to 9,000 RPMs and it just sounds absolutely mental. Does weigh 3,100 pounds, and despite this car only making 475 horsepower, unlike other cars in its class, it is a little bit underpowered, but this thing is still able to do 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds and do the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 122 miles an hour. Now obviously you don't buy this car for straight line speed, but it's good to know that you have that kind of power whenever you need to, whenever you're entering and leaving a corner. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's POV drive of this beautiful 2015 Porsche 911 GT3. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, make sure to like and subscribe, and if there's any other videos you'd like to see on the channel, comment down below and we'll be sure to make that happen. With that being said, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.